Everybody. So in this video I'm going to be talking about a increasingly popular kind of scam that's going on Facebook. And it has to do with posts that do appear to be innocent, like for example, posts of allegedly found pets on the side of the road or lost children even, stuff like that. And there's also ones out there about, for example, like houses for rent and things like that. At least in this video, I'm going to be talking about the lost pets post. Now, this is actually not my first video talking about this. I'll put a link in the upper right corner of the screen to a card to one of my other videos where I talk about how to reverse image search posts to sort of vet their legitimacy. So the post that you're looking at right now, I did that and I was not able to locate an image, or at least not locate the image source. On some of these, they'll use a very common image of a dog or whatever. They'll just copy and paste it from the internet into their post, and you can use Google Lens or do a reverse Google search of the image and find its source and find it reposted everywhere. But this one here is a little different. So the image here, I tried to do a reverse search and didn't find anything. However, I took the very first part of the sentence where it says, if anyone is looking for this sweet boy, found him lying on the side of the road. I copied that and pasted it into a Google search, and voila, we got this right here. A whole bunch of images I'm talking about this style post, and you can see on a lot of these, it's exactly the same wording. They just insert town here or city name here. And in some cases, they'll use a different image. So this poster right here, what they did is they must have changed the image to a different one to try to make it harder to, of course, reverse search and find out that it's a fake post. But this is indeed a fake post. I have notified the admin of this group and they have taken the post down. So a lot of times you'll see your friends share these things. And trust me, I have a few friends on Facebook who were, I'm not going to say notorious because they're trying to do a good thing, but you have to be careful. You have to vet and, of course, audit these posts, make sure they're real before you share them. So if you look at this post, you look how it reads, you can see there's grammatical errors, and you can see they got a little, like a little pinpoint next to where the town is. Of course, I blurred the town out. And you'll see up the top, it's in a like any and everything page. A lot of times I'll see these posts posted in yard sale groups. It's open groups where anybody can just post as they wish. So you got to be careful. You know what's funny is in this one in particular, you look at the dog in the picture. The dog does not look injured. Does not look injured. So that's another red flag. Now you're probably wondering, how is this a scam? Well, let me explain. So what they'll do is these scammers, what they'll do is they'll probably start a fake Facebook page. And also, if you notice at the bottom, they have commenting turned off. That's kind of a red flag, because if somebody was literally looking for the owner of a pet, they would not turn off comments. They would allow anyone to post a comment saying, hey, I think I might know who owns this dog or whatever. But you can see they've turned off commenting, so that way people can't obviously call them out in the post saying, hey, this is a fake post. So that's another red flag. But what they do is they'll make these posts to try to tug on the hearts of those who love animals, and I know a lot of us do, in hopes that many people will share this with their friends and get a whole bunch of shares on the post. And once they get a huge amount of sharing on the post and lots of people are seeing it, because when you share this post, your friends see it and your friends will share it and their friends will see it, what they will do is they can go in and edit the post. See, Facebook allows you to go in and completely edit a post after you post it. You can edit the words, you can edit the images, you can do whatever you wish with it. So after that post has been shared out, who knows how many times, the scammer, what they'll do is they'll then go in and they'll change the post to something else And what they'll do in some cases is they'll put like a malicious link that someone can click, and it could be a phishing attack, it could be an identity theft attempt, it could be a number of things. It could be a tech support scam, a number of different things it could be. So, and that's kind of an issue with Facebook that they might need to address, is to limit how much editing can be done on a post after it's posted, or let's say if the post reaches a set number of shares, lock out the opportunity to edit the post. Because that's kind of the idea, is these scammers, they take advantage of that by, again, posting their fake posts in area yard sale pages and just advertising pages and stuff like that. And they do this, again, to get the fake word out to as many people as they can, get this post shared many times, and they will turn around and change the post completely to something else. And in some cases, it could be malicious. So when you see these posts on Facebook, your heart may be telling you, please share the post that way that all can be found, or no one can be found. But your mind needs to say, hey, we might want to vet this post, make sure it's legitimate, look for red flags. Again, on this one you have the grammatical errors in the wording. You have, of course, them putting in the town with a hashtag. That's kind of iffy. They didn't specify where they found the town, like what road they found. I mean, stuff like that. When the post is lacking information, and most importantly, when the post does not allow you to leave a comment, that's very much a red flag. When you see stuff like that, don't share it. In matter of fact, it may not be a bad idea to click the little dots next to the post and report it to the admin of the group, because generally you'll get a quicker response if you do that, if you just report it to Facebook. So anyways, be careful out there. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to CubeComputer channel, and be sure to tick the bell, that way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following CubeComputer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, CubeCompMTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.